A vitamin C serum that doesn't irritate your skin? Dr. Sheth's challenge accepted. Dr. Sheth has launched a revolutionary serum, ceramide and 10% vitamin C ampule serum, and trust me, it's a total game changer. Why? Because it delivers bright and even skin tone while repairing your skin without the skin irritation. Let's dive into it and see what makes this serum so special. Before that, make sure you hit like, share, subscribe and press the bell button so you never miss any of our videos. Let's start. First and foremost, this product is formulated after taking feedback from the content creators like me. I remember in the beginning of this year, I had a word with the brand team and they were about to come up with a ampule serum with the ceramide and vitamin C. They want my feedback, what should I expect from a vitamin C. So I have gave them some suggestions like you can put some antioxidants, some acne fighting or some soothing and calming ingredients in it so that it won't irritate the acne prone skin as well. But now let's dive into the ingredient list, like whether they have listened to my feedback or not. The very first key ingredient here is the vitamin C, ultimate dark spot and dullness fighter. It helps to reduce your pigmentation and make your skin even and brighter. But the plus point here is that they have used 99% प्योर एंड स्टेबल विटामिन सी. इसके अंदर यूज हुआ है 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid which is a stable form of vitamin C at 10% of the concentration, which is quite gentle on the sensitive skin. If you are a beginner with vitamin C, you can start with this one. Second key ingredient here is the ceramides, a ultimate barrier healer. They repair your skin barrier, ensuring no irritation, no redness and no tingling sensation. Also soothe and moisturize your skin, making it perfect for sensitive skin. So ceramide and vitamin C, what a combination, right? That's not all, it also contains hyaluronic acid at 1% of the concentration, which is a water magnet, will keep your skin hydrated all day long. The feedback which I have provided them, they have heard it. They have used here 1% of heart leaf extract, which is H. cordata, perfect ingredient for acne prone and comedone prone sensitive skin. Apart from H. cordata, they have used here propolis extract as well, which is very soothing for the acne prone skin. We all know that propolis is a beautiful barrier repairing ingredient. It also helps to provide you slight glow on your face and it's perfect for acne prone skin as well. Apart from that, they have also added D-panthenol, which will helps to hydrate your skin as well as it will helps to soothe and calm down your skin. And as it's a vitamin C serum, so it's an antioxidant. To boost its effectiveness, they have used here ferulic acid, which will work as a transporter of vitamin C. Beautiful combination of ingredients, perfect for sensitive, irritated and even acne prone skin. On the top, it's fragrance free, dermatologist formulated, paraben, sulfate and cruelty free and 100% vegan product. And the texture of this one, just look at this texture. Lightweight, watery and so easy to apply. You might see a slight hint of yellow in this. That because it contains propolis extract, it doesn't mean that it's oxidized. See how quickly it absorbs. No stickiness, no greasy residue, just soft and hydrated skin. And you guys know my skin is very sensitive and I'm not a fan of vitamin C serum because they tends to irritate my skin on a long run. But this particular serum has worked really well on my skin. No irritation as such. Like as they say, it won't irritate your skin. Trust me, it won't irritate your skin. I am a super sensitive skin and this has worked really well on my skin. I have been testing this product since it was launched because ये मेरे पास उसी टाइम का आ गया था. But I couldn't get time to talk about this product because फिर मैं और बहुत सारी चीज़ों में चली गई थी. But trust me, it's a beautiful beginner friendly formulation and if you are a very sensitive skin जिस पे और कोई विटामिन सी सीरम सूट नहीं करते हैं, this particular formulation will work amazingly on your skin. So if you're tired of vitamin C serums that irritate your skin and won't deliver the results, it's time to switch to this Dr. Sheth's ceramide and vitamin C ampule serum. And no guesses, I have a special code for you which is Bhavna 2024 for 20% off only and only on the Dr. Sheth's official website. I provided a link in the description box. Do check them out. And if any of you have tried this ampule serum, do let me know your feedback in the comment section. I would happy to hear your thoughts about this particular serum, and I hope you found it helpful. If you do, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe and press the bell button so you never miss any of my videos. I'm gonna see you in my next. Until then, take care.